because
we're now
he's in
going
our
down.
lane. Look
Yeah.
at his position.
And we're going downhill as well.
Yeah. Especially if the road is narrow and the bus is coming and he's
Yeah.
in your lane, what's the best
If he's
action
in my
plan?
lane, move over if I can. If not,
Or-
stop.
Or ease off.
Ease off there.
Yes. If you ease off, you
Mm.
just allow him to go and then you go
To make his
ahead.
maneuver.
Yeah. That's good. Keep going ahead. Tell me if you see any potential hazard or
We've got a guy
developing.
coming into my lane. That's
Yes.
okay, he's alright. We've got traffic lights coming up. So we're going to begin our procedure of slowing down.
Yeah, keep going.
Oh no, the
Yeah,
green.
your light is green,
I
so
don't know
keep
why I
going.
thought
That's
red. I do
good. No,
apologise.
no, it's not red.
We've got hazards on the left, so we're going to have to come out to the right a little bit.
Yeah. Good.
And then I'm just going to go in here and slow down a little bit. Let this guy go. Keep on going.
Can you see anything that caused you to slow down?
That car being very, very, very
Yes.
out.
Mm.
That's a Tesla driver, of course it is.
So how are we gonna deal with this?
We're going to stop until it's appropriate to go,
Yeah, good.
because we can't.
Okay,
We're going to go.
good. That's why we need to see them early.
Mm-hmm. Keep on going. We're okay.
She's coming on the road. She got the priority, okay,
She
always.
does, yes. We are going down a hill, so I'm going to let us roll.
So
We've got
no,
roadworks ahead.
so no gas.
No gas at all.
So keep braking and go very, very slowly. Go really good, less space. That's good.
We've got hazards on the left.
What's the speed on this road?
The speed is 20.
Okay. What's the best speed then?
17.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
It is about what I'm doing right now. Coming up to a hill. It's a
Yeah.
little bit more slow.
What color is the light?
It is red, so we're going to get ready to stop.
Okay.
Oh, we're going to let it roll.
Yeah.
We're going to go.
So, as they say, keep rolling, rolling, and go, keep going.
We're going
slowly.
down a hill, so I'm going to come
Remember
off the
your
gas.
speed on this
Yeah.
road.
20.
It's very narrow, this road,
It
and
is.
then
Very, very narrow.
yeah. Next traffic light junction, we are turning right.
Okay. We're into a 30. There's not really much
When
point.
we see
to
the
come off
junction, we
traffic
slow
light.
down
Yeah.
so we can see and assess the situation. Nice and slow. You will slow down here more.
Mhm.
Remember your distance behind the van.
Yeah, you can traverse this.
Okay, so we're gonna slowly move forward, go in the junction, very, very slow. Close with this white line, very slowly, okay, behind the van. Move forward and go. But look there, is there any car approaching? Slow
Nope,
down,
we're
nice
okay.
and slow here, and then turn here.
Yep.
Go. That's good.
Right turns are a little bit more tricky.
But you need to do it slowly with the
Yeah.
slow speed so you can assess. Which way we gonna go
We're
now?
going straight ahead, so we want to be in the middle lane behind this van.
Okay. Good. Your distance is fine now. Now keep going ahead. We're gonna go towards your house now.
Okay.
So you know the way. You tell me where you're gonna go.
So we're going straight ahead here.
Yes.
merging in. Just going to let them, I think. Slowing in.
Good. When you see a bend, then tell me.
Yep, we see a bend coming up here. It's quite a